Hello. Today I'm going to review my fridge freezer. And this is it. It's technically not a fridge freezer. They were bought as two separates, not for this property, but for my first flat. And the black fit in really well, absolutely brilliant. But then we moved to a house where you could only fit a fridge freezer, and we had to improvise and add a bit of wood there, so the fridge didn't collapse into the freezer, which I think is quite a good idea. Anyway, let's have a look inside. It's your normal fridge type setup. You've got 2 shelves, 3 shelves, and your salad compartments, and then we've got 2 small little shelves there and a big thing for milk and soft drinks. And in all honesty, this fridge is great. It's got one big downside that I see is the back does get, in time to time, frozen up and then melting. Whatever you do, whatever temperature, it always changes, and unfortunately I don't think we can see it. At the back, where all the water's supposed to go, it gets gunked up every so often, and then we have a nice trickle of water. It comes down here. It takes me a day or 2 to notice and realise what's actually happened before we can get it sorted. Apart from that, it's a really good fridge. It's sturdy. It's lasted 6 years now. It's moved house, and it's still brilliant. And then we've got our freezer, which again has lasted 6 years. Got 4 nice big drawers. Brilliant. Only problem is now with beige, it gets a bit icy. The drawers like to fill up with ice. It becomes harder and harder to push them in. Unfortunately, we've got cracks because it's become brittle over time because you're having to push it so hard with the ice. It's only de-iced a month ago, and it does frost up quite quickly. But you know, 6 years for something, I think it's done all right. There we are. My lovely black fridge freezer combo. There. Bye.